Alright, welcome back. While I'm waiting on parts for this, I'm going to try and build a small log splitter. You know, one of those foot kind that you can get at Harbor Freight or Northern Tool. Not the little, you know, double one, but you'll see. I'll show a picture of it. It's just one of those that you can jack up, and then eventually, if it works, I may even just buy one of those air bottle jacks from Harbor Freight and see about it. But right now, I'm just going to rig it up, see if it'll work with the regular floor jack. The logs I have are pretty old and easy to split. It just takes about 3 whacks with the maul to get it to going. With the maul to get it split, although they are about that big around, 18 to 20 inches. So I want to get something that on some of the bigger ones and the ones with the knots, it doesn't work very well. So I'm going to try to see if this thing will work and rig it up. If it does, I will eventually turn it into a regular splitter until we buy one. Finally get to use that channel that I've had about 6 ideas on, but I've never came through with any of them. I've always changed my mind. I welded that big long piece together to try and make the metal hull trailer. Then I was going to make a yard cart thing out of it. Now I've decided I'm going to cut 2 pieces at 48 inches, put a wedge on it, use some of the flat plate, maybe even some of I may just cut some pieces off and make a wedge out of it that way. But yeah, let's get started on that and see how it turns out. I'll just need to figure out a taper there. Yeah. like that. Chop it, grind it down.